Today we're going to be adding formatting tags to our web page. Now, for maximum ease of editing, what I recommend is doing something what you're seeing in front of you is tile our windows. I've opened on the left my code page in a text editor. I'm using Text Edit on the Mac. WordPad on the PC I think even works a little bit better if you have a PC. But whatever text editor you want, go ahead and have that open and take about half of your screen to fill it in. On the other half of your screen, grab any old internet browser. I have Chrome open at the minute. And let's open up the same page in both windows. I already have index.html open here. Here, let's open up the same page so we can see what it's looking like as a web page. So we're going to go to File and open the file. You can use the shortcut if you know. Let's navigate to where our web page is, pick index.html, and open it up. All right, and that's loading. So you should be able to see whatever you have in the body is showing up here. Now, there are some things you may notice right away. I hit return after my headline, but it did not add a return there. We're going to need additional tags to tell it those type of formatting items. So let's start on there with formatting tags right now. The first one I would like to introduce to you today is the emphasis tag. And we're going to pick something that we would like to emphasize. I'm going to emphasize the word whatever. And we're going to do that by putting an emphasis tag both before and after. So our emphasis tag is EM. And if you have an open EM, you need a close EM. And that is going to change our web page. Now, because we've made a change, we're going to want to save the change. So I'm going to come to File and Save. Now, once you've given it the correct name and location, all you need to do is File, Save. Save As is only if you're changing the name or the location. Now, this is the old website. If we want to see what the new one is that we just updated, we're going to need to refresh the page. So the refresh button or the reload button looks like kind of a curvy arrow here. So I'm going to click on that, and that reloads it, and you can see the difference that the emphasis tag has made. Now, you can see italics is what we get from the emphasis tag, but later on we will be able to add additional functionality to the emphasis tag, but for now, it's italic. Similarly, we can add a strong type of formatting. So I'm going to put around the words "say it!" the strong tag. I'm going to give you a strong, an open strong there, and a close strong there. Again, we're going to save our progress. We're going to come over here and we're going to refresh the page, and you can see the difference that strong makes. So there are quite a number of these formatting tags that serve a variety of purposes. Widgets is going to be my headline, so I'd like to put headline tags around it. So before my headline, I'm going to put the tag H2. After my headline, I'm going to put a close H2. Again, we're going to save what that does. We're going to refresh the page. And as you can see, the headline tag actually did a variety of things. It changed it to a boldface. It added a return after the word. And it changed the size.